Hi, I'm Cole and welcome to our home. Today, Walt Disney World just announced how they will be celebrating their 50th anniversary. This celebration will begin on October 1st and will continue for 18 months. In the anniversary event, the major attractions in each of the parks will be receiving a magical makeover. Mickey and Minnie will also be receiving brand new outfits for this event, as well as a new float to commemorate this occasion. With more news to come out in the future, we are excited about the huge celebration. And if you are as well, don't forget to subscribe. But until next time, from our house to yours.